did it! Go!
Help.
Oh no! Oh my god! Hi. Huh? Huh?
Hey.
It looks like you're having a stroke. We don't have her gat for some reason. Gat. Gat. Okay.
Where? No. No.
You okay?
Oh no, I'm not.
The Kaka!
Shit. Oh man, that Mars air. Where
Did you know? Oh hey, air conditioners. I forgot about these. Did you know that the Cacodemon is based off of 2 D&D monsters at once?
What demons?
No, they're based off of I want to call it the Abyssal Fiend, but I can't remember what its name was. And the other one's, of course, the Beholder. How you doing up there?
And by the door. Did you see me jump down?
No, I just saw you there.
Damn. I jumped down like a fucking hard ass.
Hey,
but it probably wasn't hard ass.
Are these Hydralisk looking motherfuckers right here? Are those Archviles?
Yes. Well,
Oh,
no,
Jesus.
Archviles are the one that spit out flames.
I-
Really?
I mean, you know, it teleports. That's why I think it's an Archvile.
Yeah.
But what is it really, though?
No.
Is that a name? Can we call it Jerry?
Yeah, let's call
What's
it
the name
Jerry.
of it? Yeah.
Oh, I remember this part. And then he pops out. Hey, Em.
I think we just did the same thing. Oh, hello. Alright.
I'm hiding underneath the stairs. Now I'm out of the stairs. Hi. You look pretty cool down there.
I really hope there's nothing.
See, watch this. Watch. Watch.
You look evil.
I know, especially with that laugh. Oh my god.
This air what?
Airlock is for separate use only. What? No. Oh. That was weird.
What the hell? My guy is talking without my consent. He's become sentient.
You've been possessed.
He has a mind of its own now.
I remember the first
Where the
time I
fuck
actually
are you?
went and played Doom 3 by myself, which is all the time. What the hell?
But I don't know. Where did you go?
I'm outside fighting
Oh.
spiders and now I'm dead.
That would explain why there's no spiders in here. It's okay. We have 300 health in the pool. Excuse me, spider.
315.
Nice. That's neat.
335.
That's probably gonna kill me. How'd you die out here? Was it spiders?
No, well, kind of. The spider knocked me off the ledge right in front of you.
Are you still dead? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I'm here. Ow! What the hell? What the fuck?
The wall scratched your back. Hello.
Yeah, now I have no back.
Dude, ow. I love imps. No god. I think they're just adorable.
Up there. They are. They're just like, God, what do you call those things from Amnesia? The drones?
I guess. I haven't played very much Amnesia. I have it, but... Ow! That's a soldier. Oh, he's still alive. We're good. Whoa! Cacodemon!
There are
Cacodemon.
3 of them? What the fuck?
Yes, I remember this level specifically for its Cacodemons.
I fucking hate the garages. Ooh, chainsaw coming up.
Ooh.
chainsaw.
Hello.
I've got the chainsaw.
I do too. Oh wait. Was that me or you? I don't know. You told it to me on the screen that I. Oh, it still has a chainsaw. It doesn't matter. Go find some meat. Bees!
The beautiful sound of chainsaws.
What?
The beautiful sound of chainsaws running.
Stereo chainsaw. How did you get over there? Oh.
Waiting for demons.
Whoa. Ow. Ow. Ew. That noise. Oh god, that's a pinky. Oh my god. Hello. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Why are you going so slow? We got chainsaws.
I ran out of sprint a long time ago.
Oh, this part.
I got him.
Hold on. Oh, get this khaki demon.
Get him. Get him. I got him.
Got him. Hold on, I gotta call the lift. Oh, I can't call the lift. Time to go chainsaw. Come here, imp. Imp.
That's not an imp.
Jerry. That's a Jerry. That's what we're calling it, right?
I had forgotten that name.
Down
I was
here.
like, what the fuck? It does sound like a good name for him though. Imp. I mean Pinky. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Come here, imp. Imps like it when you get kinky with the chainsaw.
Jerry's too.
Ooh, look at this. It's a Zambi.
Hold on, I'm down here.
Hold on. I chopped this guy's face off. Time to get the rest of them. Alright. We can't call the lift.
Why can't we call the lift?
I don't know. Do we have to activate it somewhere or something?
Oh, there it is. Here it comes. You called it.
Oh, you got the... Okay. So dangerous.
I almost lit you up.
Come here.
God.
No! There's blood on the screen.
I don't know where we're going.
Cut the screen up. Hold on, I'll cut the lower part.
Hold on.
Hold on, does this work? Hey, there's light down there now. Excuse me, my people need me.
Hold on. Hold on. Okay.
I died.
Okay. Did you
The
jump on
Slayer
the lift?
vagina cuts vaginas. I'm behind you.
Oh my god! You're like a hazard in Dead Space.
Hold on. What does this arm do? Nothing.
I was doing
Oh,
the
look,
same
a
thing
vertebrae.
for the torso.
Oh, look, a vertebrae.
Vertebrae is the plural. That's a vertebra. Fuck you, leave me alone! Can we call this
I'm
one?
adding health to
Okay,
the health
okay,
pool,
we're calling.
you dick.
We're calling the health. I mean, we're calling the station. They're calling the lift, not the station. This is a station. We're calling the lift to the station.
What's over here?
We can really
Ooh.
speed run with these.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yep. Where are we going?
No.
I
Let's go to
think
the
this
loading.
thing isn't working because. Oh. Where are we going?
Loading.
Ow! Can't get him in. Come here. Come here, you coward.
God damn. Are we stranded now? Is that how this works?
I think I have a plan, and it's working. Oh, there's an imp.
Well, there's your problem. You got intestines in your system. Oh.
You got zombies.
Oh.
Hi. Call lift. Look, it's coming back. Why do you have your machine gun out?
That was the most fluid switch to a chainsaw I've ever had. If this was Battlefield, that wouldn't have happened.
No.
Well, it can't go that way.
Where are we going
Hey,
now?
look, medpack.
Did you die? Now I'm stuck.
No, you're not. I can get back up
Yes,
there and
I
call it
am.
back. Does it say
Oh,
locked?
I know. I got it.
Got it. It says locked, but I can move it. That's weird. Meet me at the lift exit. Oh my god, that's scary. Alright, so if you switch over to your submachine gun, and then you switch down to your grenades, it looks like your ammo for your grenades is 330. Service left, call to station. Trying that now. Oh god. It looked like mine was 93. Talk about grenades. Yeah. Can't get him in it. I'm fighting it with a pistol. It's surprisingly effective. Are you calling the lift? No. Shit, you're far away. Calling the lift. I hear a demon somewhere. I have to go through security station 1 and grab whatever's needed. I'm in station 1. And the lift is here too. No, security station 1. You need to give us access. I guess I'll go to station 2. Go to security station 1 though. There is no option for security station 1. No, oh my god, on the fucking lift. I can go up. Holy shit. Yeah, you can. Hold on. Can I do this? Can I? I'm gonna try some shit. Medpack. Oh god, I can. What is up there? Oh, there's some pipes, and then some intestines, and then some electricity. There's just a whole lot of nothing. I found some stuff. I found some steaks. Where are you? I am at. I never thought I would lose somebody in Doom. You're at. Go to station 1.
Hold on.
Go to loading. That's where you need to go. Go to loading.
Oh shit. I hope I'm not stranded now.
Go to loading.
Hold on. Damn it, fucking.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
The lift is lifted, and I'm not on it anymore.
Oh god. Did you
Okay.
break it?
No, I'm calling it back. I'm good.
Okay.
It's coming back. I'm going to loading. I'm going to loading.
Loading.
What? I think I broke this console. Normally it's backwards, and whenever now it leans forwards, like forwards, like it's aiming to the ground.
Probably the chainsaws didn't help.
I didn't chainsaw this one though. I tried to beat it with a flashlight. I'm an engineer.
Engineers don't give a fuck.
Oh wait, it's not calling it. I might have broken it.
Oh god, I'm gonna go try and fix it.
No, yeah, I can't call it.
I'm breaking the game right now. I hope you know that.
What are you breaking? Hey, there you are. I see you.
I'm getting to areas I'm not supposed to.
How did you get up there? You should have seen that from my side. Builder Insanity here. If you like that video, give me a subscribe and like for more. We'll be doing more Doom videos and lots more, so keep in touch.
What are you doing?